Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by focusing on where tokens typically live and why that matters. Open your password manager or system keychain now. These hold tokens for a reason. Once done, scan project directories for env or config files that may contain keys, and make sure you're logged into the correct account and have 2FA available. This avoids chasing the wrong credential and speeds discovery, because tokens are often stored in secure stores or environment files rather than plain text. You now perform focused searches and reason about token patterns. Use command line search tools or your editor to look for common prefixes, variable names like API KEY or token, and files named env, config, JSON, or credentials. Then go to the service's developer dashboard and check API or integration pages. Tokens are often listed or can be regenerated. Make sure to copy tokens into your secure clipboard or password manager. Do not paste them into chat, public logs, or screenshots to stay safe. You finish by validating and resolving issues so the token works. Use a single test call in a development environment or curl command to confirm permissions and scope. That tells you quickly if it's valid. If the token fails, revoke and regenerate it from the provider's security or API settings, then update your secure store. If problems persist, check for expired tokens, incorrect scopes, server clock skew, or 2FA requirements. Fixing those usually restores access fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.